The truth is that most people on dependent visas underuse their right. Okay, because the right you have on the dependent visa is quite close to what you will get at settlement. The main difference between having a dependent visa and having ILR is the legal basis. With the ILR, obviously you are settled and you can live in the UK as long as you want. With the dependent visa, you are here as a dependent of a skilled worker or which other category, maybe a student. So there is a cap to how long you can live. Aside that, the only other difference is that the dependent visa holder cannot work as a professional sport person. But even at that, if you are a dependent on the UK ancestry visa, you can work as a sport person. Every other thing is exactly the same work right as you will get when you get settlement. So most people underuse the dependent visa. You don't have restrictions on the hours of work you can do. No restrictions. No restriction on the kind of employer or the type of employment you can do. Zero restriction. There is no requirement on you working in a particular sector. You can work in any sector of the economy. You can freelance. You can start a business. You can work as self-employed. So the dependent visa genuinely gives you a huge opportunity to build something for yourself in the UK. So don't sleep on it. I mentioned in my live stream yesterday that there are particular, about 2 or 3 nationalities in the UK. You would not see them working in employment. If you go on the high street, instead, you will see them owning businesses. Small businesses. You see that small business, that one shop business, most of them have sponsorship license to sponsor employees. So just imagine that in the first 2 or 3 years on the dependent visa, you have built something for yourself. And if for any reason, at any point, the main applicant sponsor's license is revoked, you could become the refuge. So don't sleep on this visa. It gives you much more than merely working as an employee. It gives you opportunity to experiment what you can build for yourself when you have ILR.